My name is Atul Bhoye, and today is my presentation topic hair color. Uh, Oil Natural Gas Corporation Limited. Introduction. Oil Natural Gas Corporation is Asia's largest and most active company involved in exploration and production of oil, and he was founded on 14th August 1956, and the headquarters is in New Delhi. Chairman and MD A.K. Hazarika. Achievement. rank rank at top of the best companies to work for in care sector by Business Today in Feb 2010 edition. Golden Peacock Global Award 2007 for excellence in corporate governance 2009, conferred by World Council of Corporate Governance London. Rated very good in MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. Performance rating for 2008 and 2009 by the Department of Public Enterprise, Ministry of Heavy Industries in Public Enterprise Profile. ONGC ranked third oil and gas exploration and productions NP company in the world. ONGC number 1 among Indian blue chips. Occupies 155 rank in Forbes Global 2000. Continued. Contributors our 79% of Indians oil and gas productions. Refining capacity of about 12 MMTPA. ONGC once and operated more than 2020 kilometers of pipelines in India, including nearly 25,000 kilometers of subsea pipelines. No other company in India operates even 15% of this net length. Financial facts. Operation incomes US 6.75 billions in 2010. Net income US 4.3 billions in 2010. ONGC posted a net profit of rupees 167.68 billion despite volatile oil markets and crude price. Net worth rupees 8064 billions. Practically zero debt. Corporate contributed over rupees 281 billions to the executor. Issue summary. Type offer for sale by the book building wrote. Size and price and price value and shares of offer. Issue and opens. Issue and close means subscriptions and continue. Lead managers JS Morgan Stanley, DSP, Merrill Lynch, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company and listing BSE NSE Delhi Stock Exchange and promoted governments of India. Promoted post issue holding 74.1 percentage. Reason to apply: near monopoly and high entry barriers. ONGC currently accounts for 84% of domestic natural gas and crude supply, which can be hardly attributed to its vast uh, geographically presence across the country. Benefits of downward integrations. ONGS gas been granted license to set up 1100 retail outlets for the purpose of marketing petroleum product and motor spirit. Further, it is acquired management control of MRPL, which marks its entry into ref, uh, refinery business. Continued and reason not to apply. Government control and allocation. Government uh, deregulation and high school expenditure plans and OVL uh, ventures into politically unstable areas, high contingents, liabilities, and shareholdings, major products, major projects. ONGS bags to major projects in Sudan. The international arm of ONGC Vides has required two major projects in the African nation of Sudan for laying of a 70 40 714 km pipelines from Khartoum to Port Sudan for carrying crude oil products and revamping of refinery in the port of Sudan at a cost of 50 millions and reference. And thank you.